Yeah, how you going? Grego's here again. What's the latest? Right, I started stripping these panels back with the trusty grinder. A couple of dents here and there, but no big surprises. But on this other side, got down to here. This dent here was just bogged over. Don't know whether you can see it there, probably not. So we'll pull that dent out or tap it out, depending whether we've got access to it. We might be able to reach it in from under there. But what we found is this stuff. So this is what happens when what can I say, like, professionals should know better, but then on the other side of it, if a job's done too cheaply, like if it's only supposed to be a cheap job, then you just take measures. Well, we really don't, but so yeah, so what they've done is oh, okay, there's a rust there, so they've just tapped it in and then just bogged it up. So that's an all too common practice. Like, I wouldn't class us as expensive by any means. We're actually probably a little bit on the cheap side, but we would not be doing that. So they will definitely need a patch in there. And on the front here, yeah, a lot of filler. But having said that, this filler was underneath the old green paint, so this wasn't done by the mob that had it before us. But this is a prime example of what we're seeing all the time, is the little surface rust spots starting underneath the filler. And that's why, you know, someone will say, oh, but we clean them out, we deoxidize it and all that sort of thing. It is not as good as epoxy first. Put some epoxy on over your cleaned and treated metal, and then fill over the epoxy, and then you don't end up with this shit happening. So yeah, a bit more grinding to do across the top here. I haven't seen anything yet that warrants, you know, there's a few little dents there, but no, I think they actually had more filler on there than what was needed to get it smooth. So I'm just going to rip it all off because we don't want this happening, rust and starting underneath. So we will get it all in epoxy like we have across the top here. Then we'll work at getting the dents pulled out if we can, and then a skim coat of filler then. So so that's a little update of what we've found since we started sanding. So yeah, all right, we'll talk to you later then, I guess.